Hi guys, today we are going to see the app, the Office from Microsoft Corporation. So they have made the all-in-one app for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Notes, and for PDF Reader, PDF Creator, like that. So first we going into the app. In this plus symbol add session, first we are going to see the notes. In this notes we can take the notes, we can include the image, or by capturing an image we can insert into that, what we have seen in the keynotes we can do with this. And then again in this plus session we are going to open the lens. Lens is to capture the wordings to PDF. In this, by clicking on lens, we can shoot a page, we can capture a page. Now the light is not clear. Okay, that's why I change into the flash on. Just capturing. So by adjusting the margins of the page, okay, I just confirm this one. So the PDF is done. In this way we can do the rotations, crop, and other filters we can do, and also we can write it on that like that. Okay, done. Then we can create it as PDF. That's a simple step. Okay, I'm just cancelling this. Sorry, discard this. Get back to the another option. Without capturing the camera, already we have some screenshots like that. I just select that image, giving done, and I can create that as a PDF. Okay, this is one of the features. The next feature is Word, Excel, PowerPoint. But in all three this options, if you are a Microsoft Office 365 customer, then you can use many more options, but the basics of the MS Office we can do even with this free version. I am the beta tester, so I am getting some options previously, but more and all are same. More are same between the beta tester and for normal user. Okay, so in this if you want to create the word from the page, you just capture the page, and again just here mark the margin, then give confirm, done. So from this image the letters will be converted to the Word format. Here you can see what and all happening. So with this we can edit by changing the font type like that. Okay, it's very simple to use. Then we are going to the next step. If you don't want this image, for other operations we can go for Excel. In this we can take the snap of table and we can convert it into Excel file. Okay. So for the Excel we can straight away convert from a table by clicking the image. I click the scan table and I am trying to capturing the table using camera, clicking the camera with flash. The image was ready. Just selecting the margin, then giving the continue. Waiting for that. It will take some time because converting the word is an easy process, but converting the table is slight time taking process. Just opening the Excel. See how it was converted. But there will be some changes in this table, but easily we can adjust the borders. But for these things it will need how to say PC. Other than this, we can do all the things with this mobile application itself. Then other thing is PowerPoint. PowerPoint also you can do like PC. And in this action page we can see that the transfer files between the computer. So by clicking the link, the go to link transfer.office.com, we can transfer to a PC. The maximum file size allowed for transferring is 30 MB. And also the share, with this share nearby option, we can share it to the other phones. So with do more with PDF, in the do more with PDF session, we can sign a PDF, scan to PDF, and from picture to PDF, document to PDF, that is from Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, like that. Then we can convert the only PDF form to Word only, but not for other PowerPoint or other Excel forms. Okay. Then it can we can scan the QR code, and we can rehash with the coach. In this rehash with the coach preview, we can do the presentation, we can do the rehearsal. In that the time and all we can be calculated easily. Just I'm going in this presentation one. If we started, then the time we can give the, I can give the rehearse now, giving permission. So the time is going like that. We can change the slide, then we can pause or stop, end session. Okay, so by this we can make the time management and other and also with this we can get away from the stage fears. Then create form, like Google Form, Microsoft also giving you the creating the form feature. So we can give the title and the description for what we are creating the form, and here you can post the question, and also here you can add the image, like that. All the options in the Google Forms is also available in this app. So finally I'm going to conclude that this is an on-the-go all-in-one app for Word, PowerPoint, Excel, PDF Reader, PDF Editor, and also it acts as a reader and editor for the thing. But for intensive operation we need PC. With this mobile it will take some more time and you can feel bored. But the editing or typing a letter like that are very easy, and for students who are making the PowerPoint presentation, you don't need the PC app, you can do with your mobile itself. So finally guys, with 2 GB of RAM in the mobile is enough, but 1 GB will be suffered a lot, it will lag like that. So from 2 GB of RAM we can do the all intensive options in this Office app, and also the files can be saved in the cloud, and also in the local file storage. So it is very best app. I am recommending for you